Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today I'm going to be cutting my son's hair. His name is Dior. He's 5. So I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned his hair. Now I'm blow drying it. I'm going to semi blow dry. I'm not going to fully dry it because I'm going to let his natural curl pattern show once it air dry after I put the product in. So I'm going to semi dry it, then I'm going to put it in a ponytail so I can go ahead and see what I'm working with as far as his taper. I'm using my Dyson. I'm just going through the scalp, making sure that majority of all his hair is dry. Today he was like he wanted his haircut, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this tutorial, guide y'all through everything so y'all can see how to work with fine texture hair. Me and his hair is the exact same. He just been growing it for 5 years. We never cut his hair. So as you can see, I'm putting a leave-in conditioner and a glossifier to make sure that it's moisturized and it doesn't dry. I'm also using a foam. Just to go throughout his hair to make sure that everything is moisturized. So when it does dry, it wouldn't be flaky or just dry, you know what I'm saying? So I'm starting off by prepping his hair, then I'll just put it in a ponytail so I could do his temp fade and go ahead and start the process. So I'm about to drape him. As y'all can see, he used to getting his hair cut, so. So we're gonna be doing a temp fade today. It's gonna be skin, natural lineup. As you see, I'm just combing his hair. I'm starting off with my bablets, but I know they was about to die, so I had switched my clippers. Lever is fully closed. I'm setting my first guideline, and then I'm gonna go all the way open, and then I'm gonna go halfway. Just staying consistent, making sure I'm leaving like a little bit of leg room so I can blend with my other guard too. As you can see, I switched to my JRL. I put the camera up a little bit closer. I'm using my 1 right there just to go ahead and debulk everything else. Staying consistent. I'm using my thumb on my left hand to make sure that no hair drops. Even though it is in a ponytail, I'm just making sure I can see what I'm working with. Now I'm just detailing, as you can see. Keeping his natural line. I'm just combing it multiple times to make sure that I fully get everything. Any extra hairs. As you know, fine texture hair likes to move, so I'm just going over it multiple times. That side is done. His left side is done. We're about to work on his nape area. I'm going to debulk everything first. Going with the grain and against the grain. I'm using my 1.5 guard, going against the grain. Just making sure my canvas is clear for me to go ahead and start blending in a minute. As y'all can see, man, I'm just staying consistent. I know a lot of people are like nervous to deal with textured hair or whatnot, but if you go to school, you'll be able to go through anything, any type of hair, no problem. I'm just staying consistent. Lever fully open. Now I'm using my 1 guard, fully closed. Going against the grain, just to go ahead and have that transition and pop. Just staying consistent, making sure I'm going over it multiple times to make sure everything is even. Now I'm using my 1/2 guard. And then I'm gonna line him up. Yes, the trimmers and clippers are modified as well. So now I'm about to work on this other side. Y'all can see I move pretty swift and quick. Lever fully closed, open, halfway. Detail work as I go. Use my number 1, fully closed. Balancing everything out. Just like that. As y'all can see, his hair looks really good. I'm gonna keep his line up where it's at. We're not trying to push it back at all. I'm just making sure that the hair is not moving. Nice ash line. Just staying consistent with his line. As y'all know, a lot of kids do not just hold still. My son, no, he be just chilling though. I'm working on his bars, make sure everything's boxy. Going over it multiple times because the hair moves. Just like that, man. Very consistent. My son always loved coming to the shop with me. I give him $5 after each client that he sweep. So he always asking, you got more clients coming, Dad? You got more clients coming? He got his own wallet. He paid for his own toys, all of that stuff. Currently, he's saving for a PS5, y'all. He said he's saving right now. He said he got $8 towards it. So I said, okay, cool. Just like that. Very smooth transition, very clean look, natural lineup, clean taper, just like that. Then we're gonna do the alcohol. And then after that, I'm gonna let his hair down so he can just relax and chill for the rest of the day while I cut my other clients. See, he likes it. Everything's cool. Now we're going to let the rest of his hair air dry. He's shaking his hair for y'all. We're going to let it do its thing. Just like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. All my links are in the description. Let's go.